Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.3, Problem 11. This is Section 3.3, Problem 11. It says compute an exact answer for the problem shown, and we have 62.836 plus 12.777. So when you add or subtract numbers that have decimals, you have to make sure that the decimal points line up vertically. In this case, they already do. We don't have to shift the numbers around, and they will continue down in that vertical line right into the answer. So now we can start to add the numbers. 6 plus 7 is 13. So for 13, I write the 3, carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 7 more is 11. So for 11, I write the 1, carry the other 1. And add 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. So for 16, I write the 6, carry the 1. And now 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 more is 5. And finally, the last column of digits, 6 plus 1 more is 7. So my final answer is 75.613.